The power steering is actually leaking from one of the seals in the rack and pinion. So what's going on, guys? I have this 2017 Suzuki APB. So I've been having problems with the leak. The power steering is actually leaking from one of the seals in the rack and pinion. So I got this. Well, I'm gonna take a picture so you guys can see. You guys can see the name brand. It's supposed to seal the. It's gonna swell the seal so it'll seal. So why can't I just fix the leak? Well, it's a lot of work. You gotta take off the tires, take off the rack and pinion, the power steering pump. You gotta line up your steering wheel, and then put a whole new set of rack and pinion, and then make sure your steering wheel is straight, and then you gotta do an alignment. So it's actually, the job is harder than changing the clutch on this car. So instead of going through that, I'm gonna use this. Now this has been proven to be successful. So once the seal is sealing, is doing its job, then I don't have to take it apart. So this vehicle, I don't use it that much, and after several years, actually 5 years, I've been using it on and off, but after the fifth year, I started hearing noises, like a humming noise when I'm maneuvering, when I'm parking the car, or maneuvering in tight spaces. And then I check the fluid is kind of low, so I already know there's a leak. So it's leaking where the air conditioning drain is leaking. So it makes you think that it's the air conditioning, but it's not. It's actually the power steering. But anyway, so I'm gonna put this on. I'm supposed to drive it for about a week or two, and then I'll give you guys an update. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna put this, and then I'll see you in 2-3 weeks. Okay, so this is the name brand. Basing on the reviews and stuff, this is the best one. So I've used another sealant in the past. It sealed it a little bit, but it didn't completely stop the leak. So now I'm using a different one. This is it, guys. And this is the power steering reservoir. So I'll fill it up. Not too much though, but just below here, because as the engine warms up and you start using the power steering pump, if you put too much, it starts overflowing. So you don't want to put too much. There you go, guys. I want to put some right here, and as I'm losing fluid, I'm gonna just keep adding, and use up all of these, the whole bottle. And then 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'll give you guys an update. Damn, look at this. Oh man, it's rusting. So this is the Philippines, guys. So I'm a spray paint this sucker right now. All right, guys, that's another video. All right, so I found the bottle that I'd used, I think a couple of years ago, or a year ago. So this is the one. I bought it from Handyman for, I think it says 220 pesos. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4. It was about $5. So it sealed it a little bit. It helped, but it didn't fix it. So this is the one I'm using now. Okay, so this one helped, It what do you call it, decreased the leaking, but it didn't fix it. And I'm hoping this one will actually fix the leaking problem. All right, after almost 4 weeks, okay, check the power steering if there's any leak. There's no leak here, and that's the product that I use. Right now I'm charging the battery. Someone left the light, the dome light in the back. Somebody left the light on. Now I discharge my battery, but that's a whole nother video. So I'm gonna wait for the amperage to go down to 2 amps. All right, so anyway, there's no leak. Let's go check the front. Oh, there's no leak there either. See where the boot is at, the rack and pinion? Normally it would leak down there if you have an actual leak. Right now it's not leaking anymore. I remember this thing used to be wet down there. It's no longer wet, and that's good news, guys. So the product did work. So I used it for almost a month, driving it around, and the seal swelled up and it stopped the leak. So I'm satisfied. That's it, guys.
I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
As she was saying, I hope this video was successful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.